Welcome, I'm Pete from Paint HQ. Today I'm excited to showcase the latest cordless technology by Graco. Introducing the Ultra QuickShot. A unit I've been privileged to field test in the UK, so I can vouch that Graco is constantly looking to innovate and improve on its technology. Graco truly listens to customer feedback. The Ultra QuickShot is a professional airless spraying unit, not HVLP. It has the industry's first electronic airless spray gun with the lightest, most responsive trigger of any airless gun on the market, virtually eliminating spits. This cordless unit is the fastest way to finish all small jobs. Spray a small amount of material with minimal waste. The 6-foot, 1.8 metre hose and gun holds just 1 ounce, which is 30 ml of paint. See how the gun can be manoeuvred into tight spots. And it's so easy to operate the trigger. Always test your spray pattern first. You're looking for fine atomization, soft feathered edges, and an even distribution of paint across the fan. The Ultra QuickShot will be helping me on so many P&D jobs, spraying spindles and staircase joinery for example, without the challenge you have when using a longer hose and the potential to snag your work. Using FFLP tips, you'll certainly achieve a high-end finish. An advantage the Ultra QuickShot has over previous handhelds and bigger airless pumps is the fast setup and even faster cleanup. Its small hopper and hose design means less than 1 quart, no more than 1 litre of cleaning material is needed to flush. To explain what I'm doing, especially anyone new to airless spraying, I'm circulating water through the pump in prime, then flushing through the hose in spray, using small amounts of clean water each time. using water to flush because I've been using a waterborne paint. I use pump armour in all my airless units. This helps prevent residue paint sticking, water freezing, and basically help prolong the life of the pump. I'm genuinely humbled by your support. See you on the next video.